Alright, let's play a game. Imagine you're scrolling through your feed, and you see a name pop up, Roger Bank. What flashes through your mind? Is it a stuffy, old financial institution? A tech startup promising to revolutionize money? Or something else entirely? Maybe you're drawing a blank. That's perfectly fine. Because today, we're diving deep into the question, what does Roger Bank actually stand for? It's a name that's generating a lot of buzz, sparking conversations, and frankly, leaving some people scratching their heads. And that's exactly where we're going to start. Instead of just giving you a straight answer, let's unpack the layers, the context, and the philosophy behind this intriguing moniker. First, let's address the elephant in the room. Is Roger Bank a real bank? The answer, as you might suspect, is a bit more nuanced than a simple yes or no. The name itself isn't tied to a traditional, brick-and-mortar financial institution in the way you might think of a household name bank. Instead, Roger Bank represents a concept, a set of principles, and a community-driven approach to navigating the complexities of modern finance. Think of it less as a building and more as a philosophy. It's a philosophy built on a few core tenets: transparency, education, and empowerment. These aren't just buzzwords, they're the pillars upon which the entire idea of Roger Bank is constructed. Let's break down each of these tenets. Transparency, in the world of finance, is often a rare commodity. Jargon, hidden fees, and complex terms can leave even the most savvy individuals feeling lost. Roger Bank aims to cut through the noise, to demystify the financial landscape. It's about providing clear, concise, and accessible information so you can make informed decisions about your money. Imagine a world where financial advice isn't shrouded in secrecy, where you understand exactly where your money is going and why. That's the vision behind Roger Bank's commitment to transparency. It's about building trust, fostering open communication, and ensuring that everyone has access to the knowledge they need to succeed financially. Next, we have education. In today's fast-paced world, financial literacy is more critical than ever. Yet, many people feel ill-equipped to navigate the complexities of investing, budgeting, and planning for the future. Roger Bank seeks to bridge this gap by providing educational resources, workshops, and community forums. It's not just about telling you what to do, but explaining why. It's about empowering you to take control of your financial destiny, to develop the skills and knowledge you need to make sound decisions. It's about fostering a culture of continuous learning and growth, where everyone has the opportunity to improve their financial well-being. And finally, we have empowerment. This is perhaps the most crucial tenet of all. Roger Bank isn't just about providing information, it's about inspiring action. It's about empowering individuals to take ownership of their financial lives, to break free from limiting beliefs, and to achieve their goals. It's about creating a supportive community where people can share their experiences, learn from each other, and celebrate their successes. It's about fostering a sense of agency and confidence so you can navigate the financial world with clarity and purpose. Now, you might be wondering, how does this translate into practical terms? How does Roger Bank actually manifest in the real world? Well, it takes many forms. It can be found in online platforms that offer educational content, financial tools, and community forums. It can be seen in workshops and seminars that bring people together to learn and share. It can be experienced through personalized coaching and mentorship programs that provide tailored support. Roger Bank is also about challenging the status quo, questioning conventional wisdom, and exploring alternative approaches to finance. It's about recognizing that there is no one-size-fits-all solution, and that everyone's financial journey is unique. It's about embracing innovation, exploring new technologies, and leveraging the power of community to create a more equitable and accessible financial system. It's about democratizing access to financial knowledge and resources so everyone has the opportunity to thrive. But here's the kicker: Roger Bank isn't just a brand or a concept. It's a movement. It's a collective of individuals who are passionate about financial empowerment, who are committed to creating a better future for themselves and their communities. It's about shifting the narrative from fear and scarcity to abundance and opportunity. It's about recognizing that money is a tool, not a master, and that we have the power to shape our own financial realities. So, when you see the name Roger Bank, remember that it's not just a name. It's a symbol of hope, a beacon of empowerment, and a catalyst for change. It's a reminder that we are not alone in our financial journeys, and that together, we can build a brighter future. It's also about understanding that the financial world is constantly evolving. What worked yesterday might not work today, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Roger Bank, in its essence, is about adaptability. It's about staying curious, being open to new ideas, and continuously learning and growing. This isn't about chasing get-rich-quick schemes or falling for empty promises. It's about building a solid foundation, developing sustainable habits, and making informed decisions that align with your values and goals. Roger Bank is about building resilience, developing a strong financial mindset, and cultivating a long-term perspective. It's about understanding that financial success is not a destination, but a journey. It's about recognizing that setbacks are inevitable, but that they don't define us. It's about learning from our mistakes, adapting to change, and staying focused on our goals. And perhaps most importantly, Roger Bank is about giving back. It's about using our financial knowledge and resources to make a positive impact on the world around us. It's about supporting causes that we believe in, investing in our communities, and creating a more just and equitable society. So, to answer the initial question, what does Roger Bank stand for? It stands for transparency, education, and empowerment. It stands for community, innovation, and resilience. It stands for a brighter financial future for all. It stands for you, for me, and for everyone who believes in the power of financial empowerment. It stands for the idea that we can all take control of our financial lives and create the future we desire. It stands for the notion that knowledge is power, and that by sharing our knowledge and experiences, we can all rise together. It stands for the belief that financial success is not just about accumulating wealth, but about living a fulfilling and meaningful life. It stands for the recognition that we are all interconnected, and that our financial well-being is intertwined with the well-being of our communities and the planet. It stands for the idea that money is a tool, and that we have the power to use it to create positive change in the world. And ultimately, it stands for the belief that we are all capable of achieving our financial dreams. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.